Performing an inspection with Servo-Robot's WiKi-Scan is the fastest and most efficient solution available. Managing and transferring the inspection reports is even easier with the wireless transfer functionality. Once an inspection has been performed, a permanent inspection report is automatically generated and saved on board the WiKi-Scan. Inspection reports can be transferred to a computer via the USB connection or wirelessly by Wi-Fi. To configure a computer to connect to the WiKi-Scan wirelessly, install the included software Wiki for PC on the computer following the on-screen instructions. Once the software has been installed, click on the connection icon to select the folder on your computer where the reports will be stored. Take note of the computer name as well as the location where you want the reports to be saved. You can now configure the WiKi-Scan to connect to the wireless network and the computer. From the main menu, open the Wi-Fi access screen and enter in the network information. If the connection is successful, you will see the signal strength icons at the top of the main screen. Now that the wireless connection has been established, you can transfer the reports. From the library of saved inspections, select the ones to be transferred and click on the Generate Report through Wi-Fi icon to start the transfer. Make sure that the software previously installed is still running for the WiKi-Scan to be able to connect. Now that the report has been transferred, return to the computer and open the target folder. Here you will find the inspection report in an XLS-based spreadsheet format commonly used with Microsoft Excel. The inspection report provides pass and fail inspection measurements highlighted in green and red respectively, as well as hyperlinks for additional information such as joint and profile images, comments, and manual measurements.